Hello, this is an AI Entrepreneurs Short, and this is Ramesh Dontha from AI Entrepreneurs. So if you're already subscribing to our newsletter, the AI Entrepreneurs, this short should be very familiar to you. But if you're not a subscriber yet, please go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter. It's free for you to subscribe, and it comes multiple times a week. So within the newsletter, there's a section called AI Learning Opportunities, something that you're seeing right now in this video, okay? So in this section, we come out with some really compelling learning opportunities that are put out there for you to really get ahead in AI space. So in this week of learning opportunities, we highlighted about 5 of them. AWS SwimLearn, Generative AI Practitioner. It's a simulation-based program where you solve real business problems using generative AI, RAG assistants and secure AWS workflows, right? So you can click on the links here, and the links are provided in the video description, so you can click them there. Or you can subscribe to a newsletter, of course, and you can get it there as well. The second one is Build with Andrew, creating an app with AI, a hands-on lesson guiding you through building a complete AI-powered application from model integration to deployment, something that you're learning, so this is probably a good one. So next one is exploring the Microsoft 365 Copilot agent administration. Learn how to set up, manage, and govern Copilot agents across Microsoft 365 or the enterprise workflows. Okay, so that link is right there in the description. An AI fluency framework and foundations, a structured approach to human AI collaboration using the 4D framework to improve oversight, instruction, and trust. Okay, so we give different flavors of the training. If you're a developer, you get some developer-oriented training, or if you are learning, you're getting up to speed. It's an introductory kind of material. And the last one is the custom GPTs to automate tasks, right? So GPTs have been the flavor for quite some time. So this opportunity teaches you to design prompts and deploy custom GPTs that automate workflows and save time in education settings. So that's a short. So the learning opportunities, please subscribe to the newsletter so you can get this in your inbox every week.